Okay, so there is a new feature in Google Flow that lets you change the camera position and even movement after the video has been generated. So I have this one example where the camera is actually zooming in a bit. Maybe you cannot see it, but I can tell that it is zooming it into the main subject a bit. But I have been using a camera reposition feature that lets me make the camera to be stationary. It is not moving, it stays in place, and it is actually something that I want. And of course, you can also use this new feature to change the camera movement in the video that you have generated. So it is going to maintain the same character, the same place, the same lighting, etc. But you can easily change the angle of the video. So let me show you how you can use this new camera reposition, or basically the reshoot feature in Google Flow. So first, you can create a video normally, and after that, after the video has been generated, you can click this pencil icon to modify this video. And for this example, I have this video of a cowboy using his gun, or in this case, just yellow banana. And I'll just edit this video, and I'm going to change the camera position and also the camera movement of this video. Now, unfortunately, we cannot use the two features at once, so you can choose either do you want to change the position or you want to choose to change the movement of the camera. Now, in this case, I want the camera to move a little bit closer to the subject, and after that, you can send this message and just wait for the AI model to modify your video. Now, while it is still modifying my video, I'm going to edit the original video again. And this time around, I want to change the motion of the camera. So let's say I want the camera to be kind of orbiting up. So it's kind of getting higher, but it is still maintaining the angle to the main subject. So I'll select this option, orbit up, and send the message. So this is not quite perfect, by the way, because on my testing, sometimes you can see the artifacts, especially when there is a significant movement in the camera. But I would say the quality is still acceptable, especially for AI videos. Now, this process might take about 1 or 2 minutes, so I'll just skip forward and I'll show you both of the results in a second. Okay, so I got this result. This is the video where I modified the camera position, so it is a bit closer to the subject. It is not very significant, I can tell, but it is definitely just tiny bit closer. Now, unfortunately, we don't have the option to use a sort of setting or the value that we can enter, like how close you want the camera to the subject. We don't have that option, unfortunately, but I'm sure that in the future we will have a final control over the camera position and movement. And speaking about the camera movement, I think the camera movement is actually a lot better. So this is the one where I modified the camera to be orbiting the main subject, but the camera is going up, and I think it looks great, except for the fact that the background seems to be almost like a badly rendered video game. So it's kind of bland, there is nothing interesting, and it's kind of breaking the illusion. But from the camera modification standpoint, I think it has done quite a great job. So yeah, that's essentially how you can modify the camera position and also the camera movement on your video in Google Flow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.